Hello guys and welcome back to GhostTech. Today we will learn how to use scene detection on Filmora. So, we have here a video with 4 different scenes on it, and now we will use scene detection and see how it works. Right-click on the video and click scene detection. As you can see, it automatically detect 4 different scenes of the video. Now we're gonna use them on the timeline. You can arrange how you want. It is very useful. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.